In this video, I'm going to be going over how to humanize AI text. These are some simple, proven hacks that you can use to take your ChatGPT text and humanize it. With that being said, let me go over a few things before I dive in. All the resources you're going to see in this video are going to be directly below in the video description box. So if you like any of the tools I'm using, you want to grab my free course, which I'll talk about later, feel free to do so. They'll all be in the video description box. So with that being said, let me dive in here. What you're looking at right now, I'm on ChatGPT 3.5 model. This is the free ChatGPT model that most people are using that are not paying for the upgraded GPT-4 model, which I use. But I'm using the 3.5 model just for demonstration purposes and to show you how this detects it as AI written text. So what I told it to do is write me an article on humanizing AI text, please. And it came up with this little simple article. Tone was formal, writing style was descriptive. What I'm going to do is copy this. I'm going to go over to a tool I use, which is called Undetectable AI. I'm going to click the content that I just created using ChatGPT into here. And what this is exactly is it's an advanced AI detector and humanizer. It's dirt cheap, works well, and I use it for a lot of things. So you can't beat it. It's rated. It's super easy to use too, as I'm going to show you in a minute. Rated #1 best AI detector by Forbes. Use our AI detector tool to check if your text will be detected as AI written content. Our AI text humanizer enhances your content to match the quality of human writing. Clicking Humanize removes AI detection and ensures your text will bypass AI detectors. So this is it here. It's got two functions, and then I'm going to show you what it comes up with. And I'm going to go over a couple other things with you as well in this video. So you got a readability and a purpose. You got a high school, reading level, university, doctorate, journalist, marketing. So it depends on what whatever content that you want to humanize or make undetectable, for Google, or you don't want the search engines or anybody else to detect that it's written by AI. You're going to use this tool, obviously. And then the purpose, you got a general writing, essay, article, marketing material, story, cover letter, report, business material, legal material. So what you're going to do is come over here, paste your ChatGPT content into this tool, and we're going to click check for AI. Your content is detected as written by AI, which it is. Now, how to fix this? What we're going to do is click the More Human button right here. Okay, we're going to redo this over again. I think I clicked the wrong button here. Let's paste this in here. Check for AI. The Humanize button disappeared on me. I must have used it before. Now we're going to click Humanize. And estimated queue time 18 seconds. So we're going to wait. It's usually a lot quicker than that, and see what we come up with here. Now you can see at the bottom here it says detection likelihood. They're all green check marks, which means it will not be detected as AI written content. It rewrote the whole content for you in seconds. And it's using GPT-0, OpenAI, Writer, Crossplag, CopyLeak, Sapling, Content at Scale, Zero GPT. These are some of the better AI content detectors on the market. And you can also click Humanize again to get the best possible output. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to do it just to get the best possible output we can. And we're going to click Copy Output. And you can see bridging the gap between technology and empathy, making AI text human. In times we have witnessed a surge in the integration of artificial intelligence across various aspects of our lives. From assistants to chatbots, AI technology has become increasingly prevalent, providing us with efficiency, convenience, and innovative solutions. However, as AI continues to advance, there is a growing realization that humanizing AI text essential for enhancing user experiencing and establishing connections between humans and machines. And you can see, you can read through here what it rewrote. If you need to make any adjustments, you can do that yourself, but it's usually pretty good. You'll have to make some minor edits to it, but for the most part, it reads pretty well. We're going to click close here. And this tool is real cheap. Super easy to use, as you've seen. And it does a good job. And you're only going to need minor edits, if any at all, to make it to your liking and to pass AI detection. So we're going to go over to content at scale first. Redo this. Refresh the page. Click paste. This is free. They got a paid model where it rewrites. It does the same thing as that as my Undetectable AI does. So you don't need that. We're going to click check for AI content. And it's passing as human. There you go right there. Now we're going to go over to Zero GPT. We're going to put the text in here. I already did this before, so we're going to do it one more time. Your text is human written, 0% AI GPT. So it passed. So these are two of the AI content detectors on Undetectable AI. So it tells you right here that it's passing AI detection. So you took that ChatGPT content, which failed all these, and now you're running it through this tool, and it's passing everything. It's being detected as human written content, which is what you want. That's your end goal. So this is an awesome tool. Like I said, links below in the video description box. Check this out for yourself. And I also got, if you want a free course, it shows you how to do that without any of these tools. I use the tool, but I can also create content that passes AI detection using ChatGPT. I'm going to show you what tone I use, what writing style, how I write my content, step by step. This is the course. Revolutionize your business with ChatGPT. Master AI writing techniques for unprecedented rankings. Unleash the power of AI in just 60 minutes and skyrocket your business growth. But I'm going to take you in a nutshell. I'm going to take you step by step what I exactly do from start to finish, how to create human text that reads well, that you will not see a trace of AI in it. It's going to read well. What prompts I use, how I put them together. It's a 60-minute video, just shy of 60 minutes. Very good material. If you're using ChatGPT to write, you're a blogger, or if you're using ChatGPT for any kind of content marketing, you're going to want to get your hands on this free course. So link's going to be directly below as well. It's a good course. But that's it. I don't want this video to get too long. So that's how to turn your AI generated text. That's how to humanize your AI text for free. These are some simple, proven hacks that you can use to humanize all your text and bypass the leading AI detectors out there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Click the like button if you did. Stop on in on my blog, jaysonlinereviews.com. Grab that free course. You'll be glad you did. Like I said, it's free. Ain't going to cost you a thing, and there's some useful tips that you're going to learn inside that video that are going to help you out a great deal with your content marketing. So once again, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.